guys, I hope you guys are doing well. This video is mainly about my hair growth oil. So for this oil that I'm using currently in my hair on my scalp to moisturize and hopefully give me as much growth as possible, is just 4 main ingredients for my mixture. I'm not sure how many ingredients people use, but for my hair oil it's pretty much just 4. And let me show you guys what I have in there. So my main oil right here will be my extra virgin olive oil. I also have our favorite Jamaican black castor oil in here. I also have in that peppermint oil by Sun Essential Oil. So we also have in here the eucalyptus essential oil. Not forgetting the applicator bottle, which I got from Sally's. I just washed this because I ran out of my previous oil. So I'm not gonna measure this in any form of way. I'm just gonna put it according to what I know about these oils. So I'm gonna put every description, every reason for using this oil, what these oils can do, and all that information down in the description bar if you want to go ahead and try this mixture. It's not so expensive to get together. I'm sure you can get olive oil in your kitchen somewhere. You can get peppermint oil online. You can get castor oil online, pretty much in every beauty supply store. You don't have to use the eucalyptus if you don't want to. You can just stick to the three basic oils, which is the olive oil, the castor oil, and the what's the other one? Peppermint oil. So like I said before, I'm not gonna measure anything here. I'm just gonna go by the eye. And so here we have the extra olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and I'm gonna pour this much in there. Now this mixture I'm about to make is supposed to last me probably a couple weeks. So this is the much I'm gonna put with the extra, virgin olive oil. Now with my Jamaican black castor oil, mind you, this is pretty thick, so I'm not going to use a whole lot of it. A little bit goes a long way. So like I said, a little bit of that goes a long way. Long way. We're still not there yet. Still not there yet. Okay. And as you can tell, the castor oil is settling right here. It's thick, like I said, so it's going to take some shaking to, dilute it. Right here can really be felt on the scalp. It's really, really soothing, alright, but can also burn your scalp if you have a really sensitive scalp. So I'm not going to use too much of this. I'm just going to put as much as I need in there. Probably just going by the eye, like I said, we're going to put the peppermint oil right there. See, not that much, but just the final thing I am choosing to add on there. You don't have to use this as well. I'm just gonna drop some few drops in there, probably 2 or 3 drops in there. You can skip this and just use coconut oil if you want to, but I just want this one. You can use tea tree oil, you can use any sort of essential oil you feel is best for your scalp or whatever the need may be. Go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna use about 3 or 4 drops of this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's just drop 1 more. 4. Oh, 5. There you go. It don't matter. Ugh, smells horrible. Guys, that's the oil. We have it all in the applicator bottle. I'm gonna seal this top right here and shake, 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 shake to mix up all these 4 oils together. And now that I feel like I have it all in there, let's go ahead and grease the scalp, okay? I feel like we got everything. I'm gonna do that like twice a week, and then see how much that oil I just measured will take me, and then I'm just gonna keep doing it until I take out these braids. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to drop your questions, comments, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video as well. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.